Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money on Wise. So for that you need to open up your Wise application either on mobile device or on browser when you are on PC or laptop, and after opening up your account just click on this option of send money. Just click on it and wait for it to load, and after that just select the currency of your choice. On the top side select the currency that you want to send, and on the bottom side select the currency which is of the receiver's currency. So basically this will tell you exactly how much money that you are sending will be received by the receiver. And you can also schedule your transaction by clicking on this calendar option over here, and you can select whether you want to repeat these transactions or not also. So just choose it as per your requirement, and after that click on continue. You can also send same currencies by just clicking on this option, and you will be able to send same currency. So let's see how it goes for the international one first. So after that just click on continue, then select who you want to send this money to. It can be yourself in a different currency, and someone else, or a business or charity. Let's choose someone else for now. And after that you need to provide their email address or their phone number. So let's type an email over here, and after that just click on continue. And here you need to provide the further details of the receiver so the amount can be sent to them. And for that you need to provide their full name, ACH, routing number or account number, account type, and all the other details. And after that you need to just confirm that these details are correct, and in the next step you will have to review whether these details are correct or not, and then you can just simply pay them. And this is how you can send money using Wise. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.